गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, मैं डॉक्टर बैनर्जी बोल रहा हूँ। दिस यूट्यूब लाइव इस मैं दो पर्पज़ से कर रहा हूँ। एक तो जो हमारा OR सिस्टम है, OR सिस्टम इज़ फ्रॉम कार्ल स्टोर्स का बेस्ट एंडोस्कोपिक सिस्टम, बट व्हाट वी हैव डिवाइज्ड इट एंड यूजिंग इट, this is our embryology lab. I asked Dr.D'Pankar Banerji to keep a blastocyst over there, and when she will put this blastocyst into microscope, this microscope can be telecasted into live outside or can be shown in our 3 zones. One is, this is our operation room, this is my embryology room, this is the ovum pickup room, and this is the ovum pickup ultrasound. This ultrasound picture can also be transmitted through OR1 system, and whenever we do some workshop over here for ultrasound guided procedure, then these guided procedures can be transmitted outside. And now she is putting one blastocyst inside the microscope. It is on I will show this how it looks when it goes into OR1 system. Can we go there? This is our embryology lab, and now we are entering into our endoscopic opening. This is the main OT, and I want to show you, this is the blastocyst. We can see and we can transmit it outside. You can take it into different zones. This is the zone 1, outside is zone 2 where patient can see. And I can show these ultrasound pictures also here. These ultrasound pictures, if you do some transmission, then this can also be transmitted to zone 1, 2 and 3. Zone 3 is my auditorium, and if we had a workshop in Fetal, so we did whatever you are saying is through a console. The system which is called OR1 through Karl Stokes, and this is OR1 system's main console where we can control the things, and one is source, one is destination. This is video, we can have through this the audio also, and we have mic, we can talk to our auditorium also. And if we want to show on that screen something else, then we can decide this thing through this way. And if I want to put my endocam into spring arm monitor, then this endocam spring arm monitor goes into that picture. This is the high definition image 1 ISD, and you can see this is the monitor which comes. Now if I do endoscopic operation here and my assistant is standing in front of me, then this camera can be sent into the large screen where you see the ultrasound at present. I will change it through this, and the endocam video will be projected on this screen. Please go there and you can see. If I move this, you can see this is the endocam movement. Now there is another system which is called the good light, and there is a camera also here. And if I am doing some open surgery or something and I want to telecast this through our different zones, then there is another system where I can use this OT light. For demonstration, this OT light camera can be gone into endocam. Then if I do some work over here, then this can be transmitted to this window, this screen. If I want to take this thing into that screen, then again I can remove the endocam and then OT light can be transmitted to large screen, and you can see again the large screen is working again, which is the secondary screen in the operation room. So this is basically endoscopy system, advanced endoscopy system with we do a laparoscopic surgery, what we do in this lab. We do histoscopic surgery in this operation room, and if patient wants to see what is happening inside the operation room, we can show them live while talking to them in 3 parts, in 4 zones. One is this, one is just outside the OT, third is in my auditorium where you will see if everything comes in time, then she will show the endo-trainer system which is required for beginners. It is very important to know how to suture, although it is not a live patient, but definitely gives an idea about what to do with the suturing and all that. Again, this is the one of the very quality instruments, and if I again want to show you, if still the embryo room 1 is available in my screen arm monitor, then this is the microscopic picture which is coming in the. If I want to show you the ultrasound picture over here, then we can do that thing also from ultrasound room to spring arm monitor, and you can see very well defined images of the ultrasound which is kept in my ovum pickup room. And if this is a case of sonosalpingography for a demonstration purpose I can show through this ovum pickup also to the person, embryo transfer also, and lot of fetal interventional procedure can be shown through this operation, this OR1 system. So this OR1 system is one of the very finest way of documenting and transmitting. Now this OR1 system is associated with very high advanced level of what I have at present. It is an unending process. This is image 1 camera system, and this is the camera which we use in our endoscopy. Insufflator, this is the light source, and we have pottery with us. Although we are not doing very advanced at present endoscopy procedure, but lots of endoscopy procedure are being done here, and we can transmit this and record this all procedures. OR1 system I integrated with embryology. Can you put it over there? I can show you the embryology, what is going over there. So if this is again, you can see the movement, and she will put the, you can see the blastocyst coming over here. I think this is the blastocyst. This is the live picture. This is third blastocyst, and you can see the zona, you can see the inner cell mass. This is the another blastocyst. This can be shown to the patient live before transfer. So it creates a transparency, and a lot of things when we do ovum pickup and all, these can be done through this OR1 system which I integrated through this very important system. It has a audio system above where I can talk to my patient from outside. I can talk to my workshop people through which we will go to the auditorium now, where endotrainer is kept, and this endotrainer will be shown by Devkriti. She has come, and from that we can go to YouTube live or anywhere we want to show it for conference purpose or for. Thank you very much. And the second part I am stopping it the live, and the second part will be again I am showing you the where we do our. This is the OT complex, and this is operation 1 room, and this is the ovum pickup room, and this is a dedicated ultrasound machine for ovum pickup. We have very high-end machine with ultrasound, with high-end machine of all anesthesia apparatus. This is our embryology lab, micromanipulation system, and we do embryo freezing. These are incubators which are actively being used. So these are the system which normally endoscopy people or endoscopy company doesn't come with this type of extension of OR1 system, which I integrated into that system so that we can record everything, we can transmit everything, and we can do a very good workshop kind of pattern when we need it in it. We divide it into zone 1 here, this complex, zone 2 outside the OT complex where you don't have to change the clothes, and third is we go to auditorium. Thank you very much. We will be joining soon.